Airbnb? Nice, nice. I would like to get into real estate at some point.
It's stressful, man.
It is?
It's a lot of upfront money.
It's another thing I see that's a wide range, man. Let me know what city and state y'all in and how much y'all dump fees are. A lot of people talk, a lot of people complain, but out here, there's enough work out here for everybody, as long as you're willing to show up. Smell like something burning. Nasty? Oh, man. Said roast. People be gatekeeping, but we showing you exactly how we get it done.
Oh.
Hey. Good morning, y'all. Today we diving into a controversial topic about people saying that it's not enough work out here to go around. Meanwhile, today we got a full day lined up. First stop, the dump. Let's get it. And there we go. Another oversized load. About to get ready to tarp this down and get to the dump. Here's the truth that nobody tells you about this industry. If you let it, junk removal can overflow into your life, man. You'll be trying to take everything home. Everything could be a mess. You gotta stay on top of it. You gotta be willing to depart with things, because you're gonna have more come back around later, all right? If you don't have the space for it, do not keep it. Take it to the dump, take it to the Salvation Army, donate it, let somebody else use it. My wife back there rolling her eyes because she loves to keep everything. But I'm telling you right now, if you let it, junk removal can literally take control of your whole life, your whole yard, everything can be a mess. So what I'm telling you is try to be organized and try to stay on top of your shit.
That advice was stupid. If you like something and you think it's cute, keep it.
And people say you only need to promote in the rich neighborhoods. But I promise you, there's money out here in every single neighborhood. Most of our work comes from the lowest value community in our city. So right now we're gonna pull up to the dump. Then after that, we'll take you to one of the properties we're speaking of. At the dump.
Here, should we keep this garbage can?
As of 2023, junk removal was a $10.4 billion industry. All you got to do is get in and get your slice of that pie.
It's another thing I see that's a wide range, man. Let me know what city and state y'all in and how much y'all dump fees are. We just dumped 2,300 pounds and paid $177. But we're still able to be profitable even with dump fees like this, which is crazy. All right, let's see what we got here. Smell like something burning. Nasty? Oh, man. Said roaches. Roaches.
I told us.
Nah. Oh, no. You got sprayed a couple times? Okay. Oh, yeah. She right. Oh, yeah. She right. Mm-mm. All right. Oh, the flooring?
Yeah. Carpet.
Carpet?
Done down here.
Flooring, I see that.
The whole upstairs still has to be done.
Upstairs the same as this flooring?
Yeah.
All right. But,
Tear it out. Throw it away.
Does not smell good in here.
nope. Not at all. Some fucking roaches.
Roaches dead everywhere.
Yeah.
Should rip them off, but I gotta reset some areas. You just lay down, rip it down.
Yep. This house is right. We got some work to do on our hands. Removing all this flooring. Y'all see the dead roaches everywhere? Dead roaches all in the tub.
She and I was like, also.
Lower price gonna be kind of different because this is gonna wait. It's weight wise.
Half of it.
Yeah. And then a little hazard fee.
This right here is when most people give up. But you see, we lean into it. If you embrace the moments like these, your phone will never stop ringing. You know, we never complain about the workload. We just get it done.
All right, got all the flooring done upstairs. Everything ripped out. Now we gotta do the carpet and this last little middle platform, and then we out. All right, job number 1 complete. All flooring ripped out.
Where'd you put the hand sanitizer?
By the sink. All flooring ripped out. This place was filled with roaches. Carpet's gone from the stairs. Typically, that's how I got minimum pickup, like quarter load. Yep. Not too bad, man. We had a pretty fun one earlier. We had to rip up the carpet and the flooring, and there's fucking roaches there. And they said they sprayed for it multiple times, but we still seen some live ones. So I'll back her up.
All right.
Yep. All right. So you do clean outs? You do like renovations and stuff? Airbnb? Nice. I would like to get into real estate at some point.
It's stressful, man.
It is?
A lot of upfront money.
You own the home we're in, so I wasn't able to get a FHA loan. So if I would try to do it, I had to do a rental property, and they're talking like 15 to 20% down. It's pretty high. Oh wow, that's crazy.
You're paying the bank some good money right
That's
now.
crazy. They told me not to buy a house when I did, and it was still at 3%, like 3.5.
Yeah, what is that, about 2021?
Yep. It was a good time. Everybody was saying back then, "Oh no, don't buy a house now. Just wait." I'm so glad I didn't wait.
Yeah. My job, I just started this year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. How's it going?
Well, the first one went well, so I got another one. I don't know. It's a lot of work. So,
Yeah. What was your first property?
it's on the river.
So probably long term.
Yeah. That's easier.
Easier.
Easy.
Yeah. Because the less they stay, the more they pay.
Yeah, there's more upfront. It's like blocks.
You gotta furnish the house, obviously. Yeah.
So
That's a big part of it.
Is there any?
No, you can just toss it in there. Yep. Ain't no hazardous waste. So we started a little over a year ago now, and we quit our full-time job. I was the foreman of a steel company. My wife was the office manager, and we quit about 6 months ago. And yeah, we've been blowing it up. We got some good contracts.
And if you get like a lot of recycled stuff, you could just go to the recycle.
Yep, go to the scrapyard. Yep.
Get paid on both ends.
Yeah, that works out a lot. It helps out with gas money and stuff like that. So in the springtime, we're doing rock beds and mulch beds, and we're delivering dirt and stuff like that. Because one thing I learned with working with different realtors and stuff, they always like to hook up the outside because curb appeal is everything. So it's like a person isn't even gonna want to step in the house to see what it looks like if it's look like shit outside. So I was kind of thinking. I was kind of thinking with the Airbnb, right? It's like, especially in little Midwest areas like us, right? It's like how is the business for that here?
That was my initial fear.
Yeah.
For Rockford, because I didn't know if anybody wanted
to come to Rockford, right?
In the summer, it was booked like 31 out of 31 days.
Oh man. Yeah.
They like going to the river and then just boating.
Yeah.
Doing the jet ski.
And like, where do these people typically come from? You think?
Lots of them are from California, Florida. They're visiting people in Chicago, I think.
Oh.
They don't want to be.
But they don't want to be there.
Chicago. A lot of people are travel sports.
Okay.
Basketball, track.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I guess there's a lot of travel.
Yeah, you probably get like pickleball and stuff like that, because they be all over the place. They be all over the place. And different contractors.
I heard your call because I was leaf blowing at it. So where do you put this? Like the non-recyclable, where do you actually go?
Well, like the garbage?
Yeah, the garbage.
Landfill.
Oh, landfill?
Yep. They'll go to landfill, transfer stations, stuff like that.
Okay.
Like in Illinois, it sucks. Like I'm spending like $175 to $230. Every time I gotta go dump this thing.
So that's something like
Yeah.
costs you don't think about.
Exactly. Always make sure we accumulate and we break down and save everything we can before we make trips. We don't go there like half loaded, you know what I mean? Because it's like, if you're gonna charge me 170 minimum, it's like I gotta make sure this thing is packed. Like, so that's why always breaking down things and stuff like that.
Like rearranged and stuff.
Yeah.
Put it in.
Yeah, I'll be in there later, and like when I get another load at some point, I'll be in there rearranging it, breaking down the dresses even more, sliding everything back. And then typically, like, I put all the metal. If I got metal, I load that in last. And then when I go drop it off, take all the metal off and put it on my other trailer. Yep. And then I accumulate metal, and I take the paint, and I take the TVs in a different place. I gotta take the TVs to somewhere else. Can't take the electronics to the landfill. Paint. I'll take that out. It's just covering up the whole trash can. Yes, sir. All right, here to look at this plow. Yeah.
This is our first year putting the plow on the truck to do snow removal, and this plow was a bust. It's so old, it doesn't even mount to my truck. So I gotta trade it in and try to buy a new one, and I'll keep y'all posted on that.
What up? There she is, there she is. I was gonna see if she could fit in the back of the truck, but not without the tailgate down. That's what I assumed. Yeah, I made a little room in there, so should be able to get her in there. Man, what all you guys do here?
I do concrete, bro.
You do concrete?
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you was back there fixing stuff.
No, we always fixing our own shit.
Okay, I get that.
Yeah.
I get that. Yeah, I got a freaking my Tommy gate on my truck. It's freaking busted cylinder on it.
Shit, huh?
Yeah, I got to get that fixed soon before the winter time, hopefully. So I can
Go to my buddy right here, that F&F side. Are you from here, around here?
I'm from Rockford.
Rockford?
Yeah.
What or not?
Yes, sir. You said 450?
450.
Yeah, go and count it out.
So that's 100, 10, 20, 40, 50.
Yes, sir. Indeed. Man, that make it easier right there. I can't wait till I can grab me one of those.
Wheelbarrow on track.
Yeah.
Sell two whenever you got one.
How much?
$9,000. Brand new motor in
Said
it.
brand new.
Brand new motor in it.
Okay,
It
yeah.
has a brand new motor. It has probably, how many hours do you think it's got? 20 hours maybe?
Okay.
I just put a brand new motor on it.
I'll keep your information, and come time in the spring,
Yeah, dude.
I'll be ready for it.
Yeah, sure, bro.
Yes, sir.